So firstly, obviously, I would like to tell you something very honestly. We actually met very briefly during Viredi wedding where played Sonam's mom. But we
Yeah,
actually know each other then, right?
yeah.
I don't think, we'd ever come across being in the same industry. I don't think you and me had come across each other, right?
Not at all, not at all, not at all.
Yeah, we hadn't met or anything. But of course, Masaba, I mean, we keep meeting because we have common friends. And, there was always that kind of intrigue about her also, especially that I was like, I always wanted to know that what kind of person is Masaba. Through that, maybe I would also know what kind of person Neena Gupta would be.
Oh, really?
That was the closest connect that I could get to know that, obviously admiring your work in your films and, your prolific personal, professional life, everything. But I'm glad that, you sent me this book and I got an opportunity to read it and get to know the kind of person that, you are. I'm really happy with that.
So I told Masaba, I said, I want Kareena to launch my book. She asked me, who are you thinking of? So I said, I want Kareena to launch my book. And she said, oh yeah. So I told her, I mean, I'm also such kahu to ki for me, although you are, I mean, Masaba's age, I mean, you are much younger. You give me inspiration.
No.
I used to tell, me and Masaba used to talk that, I have seen you quietly. You worked throughout first pregnancy.
Yeah.
After that, you worked. Now, I have seen the images on Insta and Twitter. You have worked. Now, again, you're working. And quietly, this thing that I'm great and I'm this and I'm going to work. So I said, I really admire this woman. I'm telling you from my heart. No. I said, I want her to launch my book. I said, she's the inspiration. You to young girl. Yeah.
But there are so many things that I'm happy that I got to know about you. Somebody who's actually been very, at the back. Never जैसे कि मैं star हूँ, मैंने भी, that kind of vibe that I'm an actor star. You've done so many great films back in the day. But I think that you never had that vibe कि I should be in the forefront. कि गुलजार साहब के साथ काम किया, सबके साथ काम किया, successful films, not so successful, but I think you were always pretty much under the radar somehow. But obviously now somehow in this generation, there is a second innings, which, I mean, if you can call it that, that's also because I think at this age to have that, I mean, how does it feel? Because I want to be like that now.
Then, when you reach my age.
Yeah, I want to.
It's a long way. No.
That now you're being nominated with people like a Deepika Padukone, or, you're having with all the young kind of Alia Bhatt.
Alia is like my daughter,
Exactly.
We know each other, and it was so strange that Alia and me nominated, but I am feeling very happy about this time. Sometimes I say, oh, I wish I was younger now. But then I say, at least I got it now than not getting it. Exactly. And so I have some very good work lined up whenever things open up. But I am really grateful and thankful to God that I got a chance even now. And I am enjoying it. And I'm just like looking after my health, that I should be fit enough to do it, because our job is a very tough job. People don't know how tough it is, the actor's job.
Why, if I may ask, that why did you think of writing a book? Obviously, that's the first thing that, would come to my mind, that Neena Gupta has written a book. So what is it, and what is the reason that she would want to pen her kind of autobiography?
I have been writing it for the past 20 years. So I will start, and then I said, Ravish, what is there to write about my life? Yeah, why would people want to read about my life? And then the lockdown happened, and I'm here in my beautiful Mukteshwar house in the mountains.
I love your house, yaar. Aapne jo Instagram or stories pe, I think it was Masaba running somewhere, and it was like kind of foggy and all. And I was like, I told Poonam, I said, where are they, yaar? मैंने सैफ को दिखाया. I said, your home is really stunning.
It's an amazing place, and we have a gated community, and we're all quarantined here. So we meet up, we go
Lovely.
for walks together. I was here, my husband and me were here in the lockdown, and I was thinking about my life. I was thinking, what have I done? Why I did this? What is going to happen now? So there was a lot of thinking going on. And then I said, okay, I'll try again to write my book. So here, because of the lockdown, because of the weather, atmosphere, surroundings, and then I have written in my book also that I used to think, why should I write? Who wants to read my book? But then, number one, everything is out of my system now. You know, things I was hiding for so many years, it's out. That's a big relief. Number two, I feel maybe even if one person doesn't do the same mistake which I did, you know, if they after reading my book, they feel, oh yeah, you know, that's correct, you should not do this. So it's worth it, even if one person benefits out of it.
That's true. But weren't you ever scared that I'm being so honest, like you said, about this guy who called you up and said, I don't want to get married, and whether it was about, you know, Vivian being, you know, away all the time, so many things were, and the way the situation was, were you not ever worried even for a second that people are going to judge me after reading this book? And like how am I going to deal with it?
I was, especially nobody knew about my dad and my mom. What I would not have written this if they were alive. I would not have written this. Because
not to hurt them.
My mother, who suffered all her life to hide that, and today tell the whole world, and I would not have written. But yeah, it used to bother me sometimes. Oh, so then people say, "Acha, इसीलिए ऐसी है क्योंकि इसके माँ बाप ऐसे," you know, they could do that.
Yeah, that comparison is.
I'm expecting that, but now I'm beyond that.
Yeah.
And now it doesn't matter to me. Let them. Now I'm appreciated for my work. This is what I want.
Yeah, yeah.
My husband and my daughter love me. This is what I want. I have some very good friends. Fine. और बाकी जो कहते हैं वो कहने दे, फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Absolutely. But are you writing any other book now, or this is just the one you're just digesting this right now?
I don't know. I'm so nervous कि लोग बोर हो जाएंगे पढ़ के.
बोर तो नहीं हो जाएंगे. That's not going to be it. I don't think so.
Abhi I'm not thinking of anything. I've just like written it, and now I'll see what people say, people like it or not like it.
It's coming out on the stands now. Is it available everywhere now?
So it'll be launched today.
Okay, it'll be launched today.
Then people who have pre-ordered will get it like from 14th to 25th ke beech mein.
Yeah.
And out in India you can get a hard copy, but abroad you can get ebook like on Kindle or something.
Yeah, so it's available even on Kindle and everywhere now.
From today onwards, like.
Yeah, And you're planning to stay in Mukteshwar now, and
No, I'm waiting.
Bombay.
No, I'm waiting for the shoots to start.
Yeah.
When I came here, I was shooting for Vikas Ben's film when I came here. We shot for 5-6 days. I shot, and then the lockdown happened. So I'm waiting for things to open. I have some like Musaba season 2 lined up. Panchayat lined up, season 2, 3. I have a lot of work lined up. So as soon as they open, I'll come.
Then you will come back. And
yes.
At least you have, like, I mean, it's just gorgeous. I want to come one day definitely to, see the house.
You are most welcome.
Yeah, but 9 घंटे की drive है, वो मुझे नहीं पता था.
नहीं, तो drive तो अभी है because you can't take the train now because of COVID. But you can take a train. I mean, you can't take a train because you're too famous. You can take a, there's a Pantnagar airport. But you
This is
can
it's Himachal, or which side is it?
Uttarakhand. So you know Nainital? Have you ever?
Yeah, it's very far, Nainital.
No. So you can fly from Delhi to Pantnagar in your either private jet or thing. And from Pantnagar, it's 3 hours drive up to my house.
Which is in a place called Mukteshwar.
Yeah. Not Garmukteshwar. Garmukteshwar में वो जाते हैं ना अस्थियां विसर्जन के लिए वो नहीं. That's my lower level.
So this is like in the hills, because I saw the way the fog and all.
Yeah.
And this is where you've written your book as well. So that's the house is also got like there's some connectance, feeling there.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah, which is
we've spent some very good time. I actually have never spent time with my husband also, because he lives in Delhi, I live in Bombay. So this is the first time. Yeah.
Oh.
He's from Delhi, lives in Delhi. His work is there, and my work is in Bombay. So this is the first time we have spent so much time together. First time.
Yeah, but COVID has allowed us, I think, to kind of get to know our family also, I think, a little more better and closer. Like, but what does Masaba feel about reading? Has she read the copy?
Actually, she doesn't read books.
Achha.
वो पढ़ती नहीं किताबें. तो she picked it up. I think 5-10 पेज ही पढ़े अभी तक.
She doesn't know like what all like you've said and things like that, or you discuss?
No, she knows, because all those things she knows about.
Right.
She knows about my life a lot.
Yeah, you all are very close. I mean, it's just been you and her together.
Yeah.
Very close.
Yeah.
She has a strong influence, I think, on you also. What I can tell her,
Of course. I mean, sometimes now she's my mother.
Yeah, that always happens, because I'm like that with my mom too. So, I think somewhere there is a role reversal.
Yeah. I'm sometimes scared of her. I'm saying, shit, wo kya bolegi, things like that.
Exactly. But are you going to be missing any of the book signings? Because when books are launched, they do these book signing events and things like that. It would have been exciting to have that.
Yeah, I'm going to miss traveling and talking to people about my book. So I've ordered some copies home. I'm going to sign in my house and then courier it to them. But ठीक है, क्या करें? At least
pandemic mein, at least you kind of thought about your life. You put pen to paper, which was great.
Yeah.
I think
yeah. So again, now let's not crib, let's move on. जो भगवान जो दे रहा है, अब वो दे रहा है तो ले लो जो मिल रहा है. कल को वो भी नहीं मिलेगा. You know what I mean to say?
Yeah, that's my attitude also. I believe that.
कल को पता नहीं. And then you always see other people and then you realize how much you have.
Yeah.
How much you have. I do my yoga in the morning, and after I finish, and always thank you for giving me so much.
Of course.
Yeah.
That is something that every morning, I think, or every night, one should always shut their eyes and do.
Yeah.
Especially in the times that we're in right now. That, I mean, it's very, very scary. We are very happy to have a small getaway here out, from Mumbai also now. I'm in Alibag.
Okay.
Because I think that's the closest that we could come to. Because we fly karne mein or jaane mein, with the kids, it gets difficult.
Yeah.
That's the only thing. But I would love to meet you in person.
We will meet up one day
and have.
Then I will tell you all the real names.
Then you will tell, that too, of course, now when you and me are together, I think people say like I said, thoda sa to gupshup, we have to have that little.
Yeah.
Without that for sure. Or maybe in your sequel, you can mention them. Who knows? In the sequel of your book.
You never know. Maybe I'll be much bolder.
Yeah, it can give
The
you
lawyers will tell me, "Ha, likh lo." So
because yeah, I mean, I'm sure the book is going to be a huge success, and I'm actually very, very touched and honored that you thought of me to, talk about this book with you, and I had the opportunity to, talk with you and read it and launch this book because I hope that it's a huge success for you,
thank you
and
so
for
much.
everyone.
Thank
I'm
you,
happy
Karina.
to be a part
You
of
so-
this.
Yeah, you inspire me.
I hope I continue to do so, but I don't know. I don't know. Let's hope. We're all just going, and living life the way,
Yeah, yeah,
with, like I said, with all our heart.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So let the heart be the main person to decide.
Exactly. I think so. दिमाग तो है ही, वो तो सबके पास है. दिल बहुत कम
हाँ,
लोगों के पास है.
हाँ,
So
हाँ,
that's,
नहीं, दिमाग से नहीं चलता, मेरा भी नहीं चलता.
exactly.
हाँ, ठीक है.
That's the
चलो,
most.
thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. And
Thank you. Good luck for
let
this book.
yeah,
And yeah, fingers crossed.
yeah,
And I hope to see you soon. Thank you guys for this,
yeah.
honestly.
Thank you.